Well, how's it going, everybody out there in YouTube land? This is Sean with the Scale Model Car Guy channel. Such a beautiful day outside right now. It's probably in the 70s here. It's beautiful. The rain quit for a little while anyway. I mean, the sun will come out and we'll go back in, but boy, it sure is beautiful. It's nice and breezy out there. Nice warm spring breeze. Oh, it feels so good. Feels so good outside. Well, I'm coming to you again with another unboxing video, and this one's going to be of the Italeri. I guess that's how you say it. It is the 1/12 scale Fiat 500F 1968, and this is the stock version. Now, they got two versions of this out. They got the stock version, which come out first, and then they got the Barth, or I think that's how you say it, Barth, Barath, something, I don't know, the sport version and the racing version or whatever, you know. And it's come out too. It just now come out, not just too long ago. I don't have it yet. That's one of them on my list that I will eventually get. But right now, I did do an unboxing of this back here last year it was last year when I first got on YouTube, and then all that COPPA scare and all that and stuff, you know, I deleted everything and I lost it all, so I'm just going to do a reboxing on it again, and this time it'll probably be a better unboxing than I did the first time. So stick around after we get done talking here, and I'll show you pictures of the unboxing. It'll be a picture video, that way I can do a better. I'm not much of a talker, as you can tell, so I mean it's better that I do a picture video of the actual unboxing, but this is what we're dealing with. You can see it's a big old box. It comes with photo etch parts, and you can see here everything opens on this kit. You got opening doors, hood. I don't know if you can see that. I'll show you real good on the unboxing, but it's got opening doors, hood, trunk. It's got the wires. It's got photo etch. The little sunroof right here, open or closed. I mean, it's just one hell of a nice kit. Like I said, I really want the racing version, and I'll get it sometime soon. Probably more, you know, towards winter before I ever get it. Right now, you know, it's getting too nice outside. I don't do a lot of model building right now during the spring and summer, which I'll do some here and there. Don't get me wrong, don't quit watching me. But right now, it's getting so nice outside. I gotta get out and start mowing grass, and I got a little MG in the garage that needs body work done, so I can get around and painting it and start throwing it back together. So I want to hit some car shows or cruise or track day or whatever I want to do with it. But there's not going to be a whole lot of model building going on right now. I'm going to do a bunch of videos of old builds from years ago to whatever, you know. I'll just put some pictures on there, you know, and video and stuff, and I'll keep in touch with everybody. And like I said, I'm going to build right now. I got some resin casting I'm doing, and once I finish that up, y'all can see from my other videos, I've been doing that Cortina, and I've gotten probably about over halfway through it as far as getting everything casted. I still got a few, I still got the tires to cast on it, the bumpers, and I think the carburetors and the exhaust, and then I think the interior tug piece or whatever. I still got to do that from having that car completely cast. And then after I do that, then I'm going to cast that Cosworth, that Ford Escort Cosworth motor and engine bay and all that. I got to get that cast because I got other model kits besides the one, and it'll also work for the Ford Sierra race car as far as the engine and stuff, and it'll work for other stuff, like I said. So I'm going to recast those for myself, That way I don't have to pay $70 a time every time I buy one. I buy it once and I recast it myself. That way I don't pay that price. And then I got that Lancia Delta that I got the resin engine bay for, an engine or whatever, and I'm going to cast it too, because there's other Lancia kits out there that I'd like to have. I think even Italeri or Protar made one, and the stupid kit come with it's a curbside kit, but the hood comes off. There's nothing in there. Of course, that will work for it too, and it comes with one door open and one door don't. The other door don't. It's kind of a crazy kit. It's weird, I guess they did it expecting somebody years to go to resin cast, or maybe they planned on putting an engine in it and they didn't for some reason. I guess the cost got too high. I really don't know, but it's a crazy kit. But that's the reason I just resin cast stuff for myself. I buy something, if it's expensive, you better believe I'm going to resin cast it, which, a lot of people say, well, that stuff is expensive to resin cast, and it is, but you got to think about it, like this, it might cost me $50 to cast it again for buying the rubber and everything, the silicone compound. But as much of those cars as I like to build, I'm always going to have my mold, and anytime I need an engine for it, I can pour it up. And that's the way I see it. Some people might not see it like that, but that's my thinking. And I'll shut up and quit rambling. Like I said, this is the unboxing of the Italeri Fiat 500F 1968 stock version. I'm going to get off here, and you stick around, and if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe to stick around on this video to see the unboxing. Thank you.